Good day, everyone. We are a team of MBA students from University Canada West, and today we are excited to collaborate with our esteemed colleagues to present a strategic management plan for BV Krogman's product, pricing, and warehouse location strategy in Canada. Now, without further ado, let's dive into our presentation. We'll start by providing an overview of the key areas we'll be discussing today. In today's presentation, we'll begin by outlining our business development strategy, which includes identifying the optimal product specifications for the Canadian market, understanding the industry landscape, and exploring ways to contribute to the indigenous community. Next, we'll delve into the pricing strategy, discussing the challenges that BV Krogman may face when expanding to Canada, and providing recommendations on how to tackle these challenges. Then, we'll examine the warehouse location strategy, presenting our findings on potential locations and revealing our top recommendation for the ideal warehouse location in Canada. Finally, we'll wrap up our presentation with the key takeaways, summarizing the most important points from our discussion and providing guidance for BV Krogman's expansion into the Canadian market. Now let's start by providing a brief introduction to BV Krogman and its business operations. Krogman Metals BV is a global stainless steel trading company based in the Netherlands. With an extensive trading network spanning over 30 countries worldwide, Krogman has established itself as a significant player in the stainless steel industry. As part of their ongoing growth strategy, Krogman is now looking to expand its reach into North America, specifically targeting the Canadian market by building a warehouse in the country. Krogman's core business involves trading prime and second-grade stainless steel, offering a wide range of products with various qualities from Series 2, 3, and 4. With a strong commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Krogman has built a reputation for excellence in the global stainless steel market. In order to ensure a successful expansion into Canada, it's crucial to identify the right product specifications that cater to the unique needs of the Canadian market. Let's take a closer look at these specifications and our recommendations for Krogman's product offerings in Canada. In Canada, the stainless steel market is primarily driven by imports from countries such as China, India, Japan, and the USA. The most commonly used grades of stainless steel in the Canadian market include 201, 304, 316, 430, 409, and 430. Coils with thicknesses ranging from 0.02 to 6 mm are in high demand, while flat stainless steel products typically have thicknesses between 0.09 and 0.5 inches. Various dimensions for flat and coils are shown. For the initial phase of Krogman's expansion into Canada, we recommend focusing on flat stainless steel sheets or plates with prime grades 304 and 316, featuring thicknesses from gauge 11 up to 24. Widths should range between 33 and 60 inches, while lengths can be customized based on customer requirements. By concentrating on fast-moving, high-demand stainless steel specifications, Krogman can effectively lower stockholding costs and minimize financial risks during the early stages of their Canadian expansion. As Krogman establishes its presence in the Canadian market, it will be crucial to develop a targeted industry market strategy that capitalizes on growth opportunities while managing risks. Let's explore our recommendations for Krogman's industry market strategy in Canada. The Canadian stainless steel market is primarily driven by manufacturing and heavy industries. Penetrating these sectors can present challenges such as price pressure and limited brand recognition, as Krogman will be a new player in the market. However, an efficient supply chain management system can serve as a competitive advantage for the company. We recommend that Krogman target high-end markets, focusing on product quality and securing long-term contracts. This approach can help the company leverage pricing and profitability while expanding their market share in Canada. Diversifying Krogman's industry markets can also reduce dependency on a single sector and mitigate the impact of economic fluctuations on the company's growth. Target industries could include high-end manufacturing, design supplies, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, high-volume stainless steel-based manufacturing, heat exchangers, chimneys, conveyors, and heavy industries such as automotive and energy. In addition to a targeted industry market strategy, Krogman can further solidify its presence in Canada by engaging with and supporting the indigenous community. Let's discuss how Krogman can contribute to the indigenous community as part of their expansion strategy. Krogman has the opportunity to make a positive impact in Canada by actively supporting the indigenous community. One way to do this is by attracting, hiring, and retaining indigenous talent in various roles within Krogman Metals BV Canada. This not only promotes diversity within the company, but also contributes to the overall economic growth of the indigenous community. Another way Krogman can give back is by incorporating training and development programs for indigenous employees as part of their corporate social responsibility initiatives. These programs can help develop essential skills and provide career advancement opportunities for the indigenous workforce. By investing in the indigenous community and supporting their growth, Krogman can demonstrate its commitment to a sustainable future for all Canadians. Now that we have covered the industry market strategy and the company's potential contributions to the indigenous community, let's delve into the challenges Krogman may face in pricing their products and services in the Canadian market. In this section, we will discuss the pricing challenges that BV Krogman will face when expanding to Canada and present our recommendations to address these challenges. First and foremost, fluctuations in raw material prices significantly impact the cost of stainless steel products. This makes it crucial for Krogman to manage these fluctuations effectively to ensure profitability. Additionally, shipping and warehousing costs play a significant role in our overall pricing strategy. Comparing our current costs to the projected costs with a warehouse in Canada, we can identify potential areas for optimization. Furthermore, we must consider the competitive landscape and customer expectations in the Canadian market. Understanding competitor pricing structures and catering to Canadian customer preferences will be essential for our success. Now that we've identified the main challenges, let's move on to our strategic recommendations for a successful expansion. To address the pricing challenges in the Canadian market, we propose the following three major recommendations. Firstly, Krogman should manage the cost of raw materials effectively. By establishing long-term contracts, diversifying the sources, and managing currency risks, we can mitigate the impact of fluctuations in raw material prices on our overall pricing strategy. Secondly, we suggest optimizing the supply chain to reduce shipping and warehousing costs. This can be achieved by partnering with reliable logistics providers and implementing cost reduction strategies, such as consolidating shipments and finding more efficient shipping methods. Lastly, it's essential to develop a dynamic pricing model based on market research and customer preferences. Offering tailored pricing structures and volume discounts can help us differentiate our pricing strategy in the Canadian market and attract more customers. With our recommendations in place, let's now explore potential warehouse locations for Krogman Metals BV in Canada. In order to establish an efficient supply chain and minimize costs, we have thoroughly analyzed three prime locations for Krogman Metals' new warehouse in Canada: the Greater Toronto Area, Montreal, and Vancouver. Each location offers unique advantages and challenges. The Greater Toronto Area is a gateway to the US-Canada market, but has limited real estate availability. Montreal offers comprehensive transportation infrastructure and competitive labor costs, but faces harsh winter conditions. Vancouver connects us to the Asian market, but has limited warehouse space and high living costs. Considering these factors, it's crucial to weigh the importance of each aspect to determine the best location that meets Krogman's needs and requirements. After our analysis, we are excited to share our recommendation for the ideal warehouse location in Canada. Our analysis has led us to Montreal as the ideal location for Krogman Metals' new warehouse. With its strong market demand, accessible transportation networks, a skilled workforce, a business-friendly climate, and competitive real estate opportunities, Montreal offers an advantageous environment for our expansion. We have evaluated several potential locations in Montreal and determined that Lachine is the best choice. Lachine is strategically located close to significant transportation hubs, including highways, rail, and air transport. Additionally, it has a strong industrial presence, which ensures the availability of essential services and skilled labor. To ensure a successful expansion, we recommend that Krogman Metals BV proactively mitigate risks and engage with stakeholders. This includes developing financial plans, diversifying shipping options, and implementing robust security measures. By setting up the new warehouse in Lachine, we believe that Krogman Metals can ensure a seamless expansion into the Canadian market and meet the needs of our customers while maintaining profitability. Now that we have discussed the recommended warehouse location, let's move on to our key takeaways for Krogman Metals' expansion strategy. The key takeaway from our strategic management plan for Krogman's expansion to Canada is that success in a new market requires a comprehensive plan and collaboration across departments. Product strategic planning. Focusing on the fast-moving/high-demand stainless steel in the first phase of expansion can lower the financial risk and stock handling cost. High-end markets with long-term contracts may stabilize at the beginning of the business expansion. Diversification of the industry market can mitigate the risk of economic fluctuation. Brand recognition and stability in operation and finances are essential to ensure sustainability of the business in Canada. Pricing strategic planning. To ensure a competitive pricing strategy, Krogman should implement a comprehensive plan by establishing long-term supply contracts, optimizing the supply chain, and offering tailored pricing structures. By closely monitoring market trends, collaborating across departments, and providing flexible payment terms, Krogman can achieve seamless growth and success in the new market. Warehouse strategic planning. Choosing the optimal location for Krogman Metals' new warehouse in Canada is crucial for ensuring the success of the expansion. After thorough analysis of potential locations, we recommend Montreal, specifically Lachine, due to its strong market demand, accessible transportation networks, skilled workforce, business-friendly regulatory climate, and competitive real estate opportunities. Proactive risk mitigation and contingency planning are essential for ensuring the successful execution of the warehouse expansion in Montreal. By implementing our strategic recommendations, Krogman Metals can establish a competitive and profitable pricing strategy, monitor market trends, and adjust pricing strategy accordingly to stay competitive and maintain profitability. We also encourage Krogman Metals BV to contribute to the indigenous community by attracting, hiring, and retaining indigenous talent, which is a form of supporting Canada's future. Thank you for joining us today for our presentation on the strategic management plan for Krogman's product, pricing, and warehouse location strategy in Canada. We hope that you found our recommendations insightful and actionable for the successful expansion of Krogman Metals. Have a great day.